Halo, nama saya Dexter. Aku 15 tahun.
Aku punya pertanyaan buat Dexter. Kira-kira menurut Dexter, apakah memasak itu sulit?
Biasanya ya, ada yang sulit, ada yang biasa saja, ada yang simple-simple kayak instant noodle.
Instant noodle itu simple ya.
Iya.
Dexter bisa masak instant noodle.
Ya siapa yang nggak bisa?
Siapa yang nggak bisa? Kira-kira kapan Dexter mulai tertarik untuk belajar memasak ini?
2 tahun lalu aku tertarik sama masakan.
2 tahun lalu berarti Dexter umur 13 tahun ya?
13-an. Ya.
Oke. Pertama kali Dexter masak apa ya?
Kayaknya beef Wellington atau ratatouille.
Wow, langsung masak beef Wellington atau ratatouille ya?
Soalnya ada mami.
Soalnya ada mami. Tapi belum bisa masak sendiri waktu itu ya?
Nggak bisa.
Harus ditemani sama mami dulu ya?
Iya.
Lalu jenis masakan apa yang kira-kira Dexter itu bisa masak sendiri tanpa bantuan dari orang tua atau orang lain?
Aku bisa bikin fried rice, English breakfast, that's my favorite one. Also salmon aku bisa bikin.
Kalau menurut pengalaman Dexter lebih suka masak sendiri atau ditemani sama mami, orang tua atau orang lain?
Suka dua-duanya. If you're alone, you can be more independent about your cooking and you can develop skills on your own. You'll realize your mistakes. Tapi if ada mami atau orang tua, bisa dibantukan.
Bisa dibantu cara masaknya bagaimana, dijelaskan dulu,
Iya.
step by stepnya.
Iya, kayak
gitu
cooking
ya.
class bisa itu.
Okay.
It's very good if
Okay.
you're starting from the basics.
Selama belajar memasak atau pengalaman memasak ini, apa menemukan kesulitan-kesulitan?
Oh pastilah, especially maybe my patience. I have issues with patience. I like to cook, but sometimes though I rush when I'm cooking. So it's good to have someone by my side to tell me like, oh you're doing this wrong atau enggak. If it comes to steak, I'm not the best with it, but I'm still developing my skills with it.
Sering lihat kayak di YouTube atau di sosial media gitu tentang cara memasak?
Yeah, of course. That's how I get my ideas from and why I want to cook stuff most of the times. Ya, biasanya aku lihat famous YouTubers, you know. I always looked up to Gordon Ramsay. They're really nice at cooking. It inspires me to, you know, want to cook more. It's also a good life skill. When you get to university or when you live alone, you'll be able to cook yourself. You'll be more independent. It'll help you a lot. You can't always eat unhealthy food, you know, instant noodle. That's what a lot of university students do. That's
Okay.
bad for their health. But you can make very simple dishes. They're healthy, full of nutrients, full of protein. You know how to cook steak maybe, you know how to cook like a beef bowl, simple breakfast, avocado toast. It's not really not that hard. It's just if you know how to do this basics.
Bagaimana menurut Dexter jika diadakan cooking program untuk para teenagers for them before they go to university abroad? Menurut Dexter gimana?
I think it's good actually. There's a lot of people. You can also make friends there. It's not only for cooking. I made quite a few friends there. I still talk to them still.
Dengan adanya program ini nanti bisa bertemu dengan banyak teman yang di dalam satu kelompok
Yeah,
gitu
since
ya.
you're mostly the same age group, you'll get to cook a lot, you know. It's really delicious, the food. Sure, maybe sometimes it's simple, but it's worth it in my opinion. You get the experience, at least you'll understand.
Ada waktu proses memasak atau belajar memasak selama ini, apakah pernah get injured?
Gak pernah.
Nggak pernah ya? Kok bisa?
Haven't really gone to a serious injury. Probably the worst I got was kayak the kepanasan. That's about it. And didn't even get burned.
Jadi umur segini udah bisa berhati-hati sendiri gitu, bisa lebih mawas diri. Umur sekitar teenagers ya,
Iya.
bisa jaga diri sendiri lah, udah cukup untuk bisa belajar memasak. Kalau Dexter misalnya udah dikirim untuk sekolah ke luar negeri, kira-kira masakan apa yang bakal Dexter kangenin dari rumah? Yang biasanya dimasak sama mami atau sama orang-orang di rumah yang kira-kira you will be miss itu apa?
Sop merah is one of them.
My chicken katsukari?
Iya.
Iya. Terus apa lagi?
Apa lagi?
My chicken steak? The chicken steak that we used to eat
Yeah.
every week.
Kangen lah.
Nah, kangen. Pengen belajar nggak Dexter?
Iya lah, I want to.
Nah, bagi teman-teman yang mau anaknya belajar cooking bisa ikut program kita karena kita punya 10 menu di program cooking class kita kali ini yang bisa membantu anak-anak kalian untuk bisa memasak ketika jauh dari keluarga.